Oh, my name is Rolando Gill. I'm a local real estate expert, and I want to give you some tips on what you should do before you start investing in real estate. Whether you're a first time investor or a seasoned investor and looking to expand your portfolio, here's some things that I think will help set you up for success. Step one, research before investing in local real estate. It's crucial to understand your local market. Research recent sales, rental rates, and trends in the area. Look for the neighborhoods with potential growth and good amenities. Familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations and zoning restrictions. Step two, set financial goals. Determine your investment goals. Are you looking for long term wealth accumulation or short term cash flow? Set a realistic budget and determine how much you can comfortably invest without risking your financial stability. Step three, build a team. Investing in real estate can be complex, so it's essential to surround yourself with a reliable team. Find a knowledgeable real estate agent who understands your investment goals. Consult with an experienced lawyer and accountant to ensure compliance with legal and tax requirements. Step four, analyze properties. Thoroughly evaluate potential properties by analyzing their financial performance, cash flow projections, and potential appreciation. Consider factors like location, condition, rental demand, and any renovation or maintenance costs. Step five, conduct due diligence. Once you've identified a property of interest, conduct a thorough due diligence. Hire professionals to do property inspections, appraisals, and title searches. Review all legal documents and ensure that there are no hidden surprises or issues. Step six, implement risk management strategies. Real estate investing involves risks, so it's important to mitigate them. Consider purchasing landlord insurance, diversifying your investments, and having contingency plans for unexpected events such as vacancies or market downturns. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you make informed decisions and minimize risk when investing in real estate. Remember, patience and thoroughness are key. If you have questions or assistance, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.